Good day, traders. Now I'm going to show you the most effective money-making strategy. This is trading with a robot. Its passability is 90%. I give you 3 free signals, after which you can buy the full version of this tool at a discount of 90% and work without limits. There are 10 places left at a discount.
Link in the description. With you channel MaxBot, let's start trading. I will make a trade with a Euro-Canadian dollar currency pair. Time frame 2 minutes. The robot gives a forecast in just 3 seconds. So, its recommendation is lower. You need to click on the red button on the broker's website.
In the message with the signal, he indicated additional information. The news background does not affect the price now, and volatility is reduced. The bot is able to use technical and candlestick analysis, price action, and it also has skills of working with 30 indicators. Now I will try to understand the logic of its signal through the prism of technical analysis. During the past 2 hours we can observe large areas of resistance that prevent the price from moving up, fixing a lower trend that has smoothly turned into a sideways movement. Now the buyers have not yet accumulated the volumes that will allow them to change the situation, so I think that the sideways movement will continue, and the potential and periodicity of the resistance areas will trigger the price to go a little lower, bouncing from such an area.
Looking forward to the end of the trade.
Within the 2-minute expiry time, we can safely make a profit in such a situation.
Working on this structure, you will become millionaires.
The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this 9 years of experience, which the robot has, is given to you for a symbolic fee. MaxBot will triple your deposit on the first day.
The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation.
Join a powerful, progressive community of high-tech traders who brilliantly optimize their working time and save energy with the help of artificial intelligence.
Link in the description.
And our trade ends in a sideways movement, lower than the entry point. This means that the robot signal and my analytics were correct.
The deposit came in at $546.
Now I will change the currency pair and enter a new operation to increase the profit. There are 27 currency pairs available in the bot. I will work with the variant British pound, Japanese yen. Here the acceptable payout percentage is 84. I invest $800.
New signal from the bot, lower.
The news background does not affect this currency pair now, the price fluctuations are downgraded. Now I will quickly search for this currency pair in TradingView and analyze it based on historical data. I advise you to practice regularly and analyze all your actions, all your trades, no matter how profitable or unprofitable they are.
Always try to find patterns in order to collect statistics for future work.
So, the histogram of tick volumes shows that during the past 2 hours sellers were regularly active and resisted the growing price and volumes of buyers. Due to this, the price is in sideways movement most of the time, without a strong uptrend.
I think that in this situation a rebound from the resistance area and a local trend lower after the rebound is very likely. Even if it does not last long, we are trading on a short expiry date. I am sure that in this case the trade will close in plus. I am convinced that this is why the robot gave such a forecast. Attention! There is a comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to the channel, put a like and write one comment on the subject of trading. Only one post per person will be accepted. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the contest results there I publish important training information that will help you quickly pump up your skills and pump up your mindset for professional work. Good luck to everyone. And the trade just closed in the plus side. $672 profit. This means that the robot's forecast is once again accurate. My reasoning on the price movement also turned out to be correct. Let's keep working. I will change the currency pair again for a change. Euro.
Japanese yen is my choice for the final trade for today. I double the investment amount and quickly get a signal.
Lightning fast. The recommendation from the bot is higher. On this currency pair now the news background actively influences the price. Price fluctuations are increased.
The bot always indicates this information in messages with signals. By the way, after purchasing MaxBot you will get access to an exclusive closed VIP chat, where a team of professional traders analyze the market. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares actual signals.
I would like to remind you that you can purchase the robot at a 90% discount through the link in the description.
There are few places left with this discount. The offer is limited, so I recommend you to hurry up with your decision.
The right decision. And a reminder that you will receive 3 free signals before you buy. Now, I'm going to do some technical analysis. On the volume histogram we can see that bulls were active an hour ago, after which bears actively took the initiative in some moments. But the overall situation still resembled a flat. This is a sideways movement, which permeates the whole chronology of the past 2 hours. But in the last minutes we can observe a situation when a rebound from the support area upwards is called for. I see a hint of it on the stochastic oscillator.
Within the 2-minute timeframe such a local movement can play a decisive role. And taking into account that sellers have no obvious advantage, this is a very probable development of events.
I think that the bot has foreseen everything,
using additional historical data, information about current news and fundamental factors in general. I think that its technical analysis was similar to mine in many respects. And now on the screen you can see the feedback from traders who have already experienced the benefits of MaxBot. In the meantime, the deal closes with a perfect situation for us.
The signal is once again accurate.
$1,296 profit.
Total profit for today, $2,514.
Did you like the video? Give it a like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to keep up to date with new, interesting content.
See you soon.